Hi folks, it's Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group here with my review of EZSalaryZ, which launches on the 6th of March at 9 AM Eastern Standard Time. In this review, I'm going to go through this new release from Mosh Barry and Jason Fulton. What it's billed at is the world's first salary replacement software. You're just 60 seconds away from generating a salary every month without working every day. Well, how are you going to do that? You're going to do that by creating your own membership sites. So this is a software with everything hosted for you that enables you to create membership sites. And for those of you that don't know, that is the exact business model that I actually used to build up a huge email marketing list that actually set me on the way to becoming now a super affiliate earning $17,000 a month online. So membership sites can be a very effective way to do things. Normally they have to be built on WordPress or something like that. They're quite complicated to set up and host. So the fact that you've got a done-for-you solution here with everything hosted for you is actually a pretty attractive prospect. So if this sounds like it's something that's of interest to you, then listen on to this review video. The other good thing about membership sites, which is why this is called EZSalaryZ, is that typically they will be charging a monthly income. Now, actually on my membership sites, I charge one-off fees to join them, so I don't actually charge monthly recurring. It is something that I may introduce in the future with other products, but the format for most people running membership sites would be to set them up as being monthly recurring memberships. So that being the case, obviously it is pretty attractive to be able to do that. Excuse me one second. Right, okay folks, let's start this ball rolling. If this is of interest to you, listen on to this, and I will also be letting you have my big package of 15 bonuses, which you can get by clicking the link underneath and clicking on any of these green buttons here at any time before this countdown timer reaches 0, at which point the bonuses will expire. Now, I don't want that to happen, folks, because they are, as the name suggests, custom bonuses, which means they are exclusive to me. Now, having said that, there'll be a lot of people reviewing this product today, so do feel free to go and see what others are offering with their copies of EZSalaryZ, because of course you can always come back to this page, back to this YouTube video, when you realize that the bonuses that I'm offering are a little bit special. Okay, so what is EZSalaryZ all about? Well, if you want fast results, try 60 seconds with 99% automation, no website or techie stuff. The world's first salary replacement software. You're just 60 seconds away from generating a salary every month without working every day. And there is the sales video here. And I've also got a super quick demo video on my bonus page, which actually shows you how Mosh sets a site up in under a minute. So you can watch that. We'll also take you inside the members area of EZSalaryZ. There is the dashboard and also the training area, which is slightly different. There it is. And also we'll have a look at the upsells. The front end price for this, if you pick it up during the first 6 hours, is $22. It does then start going up. So the quicker that you get it, the cheaper you'll pay. All right, so let's have a look at the custom bonuses that you'll get if you click on the link underneath and come through to EZSalaryZ. What is EZSalaryZ all about? Well, you can create recurring passive income. You can launch a fully loaded membership site in just 30 seconds, maybe a little bit longer than that. Automatically fetch products and videos. Get recurring payments monthly. One-time price to add thousands of paying members to your site. Newbie friendly, fully tested, no tech skills needed, no manual work. Every marketer needs this, no website or hosting needed, and fully cloud-based software. And you can watch, as I said, the demo video there, which shows you how Mosh set a site up in under 60 seconds. All right, so what am I going to throw in as my custom bonuses? Well, the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to throw in my first product, which was my own site that shows you how I succeed using a membership site model. It's called Cashless Creator, and it shows how I have created 25 membership sites that bring me in an ongoing income. Now, it's not a recurring income, but it does come in every month because I get new sales from my site every month. Crucially, this has enabled me to build up an email list of over 16,000 using this Cashless Creator method. So it is the entire basis for my success. So that is my first bonus to you, my flagship product, Cashless Creator. Second bonus, I'm going to give you a list building masterclass showing you lots of other techniques that you can use to build a huge list, which is vital to succeed in internet and affiliate marketing. Thirdly, another list building course, this time from super affiliate Brendan Mace, another great course showing you how he built a huge email list. The more people you learn from, different mentors, different ideas, the more ideas you'll get, the easier and quicker you'll be able to build your list. The next bonus is the 10K email manifesto, how to start an email business that makes you $10,000 a month. That is my bonus number 4. Bonus number 5, as well as knowing what to do right, it's important to avoid stuff that you do wrong. So the 7 deadly sins of email marketing is my 5th bonus. 6th bonus, one of the options with these membership sites is to import Amazon products. So I'm going to show you 4 different ways that you can make money on Amazon. That is my 6th custom bonus. My 7th custom bonus is how you can create bonus pages if you don't have a budget to buy something like Commission Gorilla, which is the software that I use, what I'm using to actually create this. But if you're just starting out and you don't have the budget to pay for a bonus page, paid bonus page builder, I'm going to show you how you can create bonus pages completely free with this tutorial. Next, an email marketing masterclass. So we've covered list building. How do you actually interact with those people once you've got them onto your list? So that is an email marketing masterclass. Next bonus is how to find hot selling items that you can populate your membership sites or any other site that you want with. That is a bonus from Jono Armstrong. Next bonus is on how to build a buyer's list. So how do you get people onto your list, onto your membership sites that are proven buyers? So that is my next bonus. The next one is how to write headlines that sell. So how do you write good quality subject lines that will get results? Next bonus is a social media masterclass. So this will teach you about how to succeed with internet and affiliate marketing across all of the major social media platforms, obviously like Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, YouTube, and so on, Instagram. Solo ad list building profit is my next bonus. How you can turn solo ad traffic into profit without having your own products. The Profit Factory will actually show you a nice way that you can create your very first product. So this is a nice little course here from Samuel Chima, I think, the Profit Factory. And finally, I'm going to show you 10 top ideas for creating your own private label rights products. So 10 top private label rights business ideas for 2020. So a huge mammoth collection of an assortment of 15 mega bonuses there if you pick up EZSalaryZ from my link. All right, so sales page is pretty lengthy, as you would expect from a Mosh and Jason page, so I'm not actually going to spend too much time on this, but you can have a look through all of this at your leisure. Both of them are super affiliates earning a huge amount every month, so feel free to go through and look at the sales page in detail. I'm just trying to find the bit where they list their bonuses. It is a very long sales page. As you know, my own sales pages are considerably shorter than this, but everyone has different ideas. All right, when you order EZSalaryZ today, you'll get these extra bonuses. Don't have your own products to put on your membership sites? Don't worry. They're including their own special white label bonus training so that you can easily create your own products to populate your membership sites with. Second bonus, don't know how to create a product, the 10 keys of product creation success. Third bonus, premium agency license for the first few customers. They're actually going to include a premium agency license. That's very valuable. Bonus number 4, private support groups. Bonus number 5, a 300k case study. How a blog generates 300k unique visitors. And as I said, the price for this is actually going to be 22 for the first 6 hours. It says here 27, so this is a demo mock-up of the sales page, so it'll actually be 22 if you get in fast. If you miss that, it's going up on a dime sale until it reaches $27 for the rest of the launch, and it'll be considerably more when the launch ends, obviously. All right, so when you come into your members area, what you should do is you should click this button here to go through the various training. And then this will show you right from how to get access to your account, how to host the files. That's the bit that you import stuff onto your membership site with. It tells you different ways to import the products from different places and also how to add them manually, how to hook your autoresponder. Now, this actually hooks up with over 20 different autoresponders. So even if you don't have one of the big three like Aweber, GetResponse or MailChimp, chances are with EZSalaryZ it will be able to take your autoresponder, which is a big plus because most of them only take the big three, maybe even only the big two, Aweber and GetResponse. So custom domain and adding payment gateway. So as I said, it's entirely up to you if you want to use your own domains with your membership sites. I would recommend it, but it's not essential. Or you can just use the domain name that's created for you by the software, and obviously adding payment gateways so that you can get paid your recurring monthly income, your recurring monthly fees, and then drag and drop, rearrange products and modules. So all the training is like thorough here. Once you've actually gone through the training, you will go back and you will click on this button here to create your first funnel, and you'll just click create and follow the steps that you've learned in the training and go through and create the funnel. It is as simple as that. In terms of the upsells, so with the with the main product, you have got a 10 site license, so you can create 10 different membership sites with the front end. With the Pro version, which costs $97, there's also an alternative to pay for it monthly at $27 a month. You can create unlimited sites. So just fire away, create 25 sites like I've got, even more, 50, 100 sites. It's entirely up to you. Unlimited membership sites can be created with the Unlimited Profits edition. The next option is done for you. So if you want this completely hands-free and you don't want to go through the technical stuff, it is, I wouldn't say it's difficult, but it is a bit techie to set this up, yeah? So, if you're a complete technophobe, a bit like me, but I would actually persevere with this because I think I can cope with setting these up. But if you want it completely done for you, or you're just short of time and you want a salary replacement set up as soon as possible, then Done For You will create 20 sites for you for $297. Yeah, absolutely everything done for you. Sites created, you just get given the URLs to share. It's as simple as that. Start getting signups. The next one is Super Traffic Machine, which is $67. This will explode your traffic and sales whilst building you an army of people desperate to promote your sites. EZSalaryZ 100K 100 times conversion booster, that is $77. This is all about scaling up. Again, watch the sales video for full details. And finally, license rights, sell this as your own product, keep 100% of the profits. $97, that's pretty much a standard price for 100% reseller rights. So both of these are good quality upsells at a fairly low price. Obviously, the Pro version is very valuable because it enables you to create unlimited sites. And if you want the done for you solution, then having 20 sites created for you, obviously that's quite labor intensive, and it takes quite a lot of someone's time to actually get all of these populated with products and set up for you. So 297 is actually a pretty good deal for that. So that is pretty much it, folks. If you want to get this huge mega package of 15 bonuses, all you have to do is click any of these green buttons here. That will take you through to this page here. Click on the button and hopefully you'll be in time to pick it up for $22. And then that will bring you back into your receipt area at Warrior Plus. Click on the green button to access your copy of EZSalaryZ, and click on the blue button to access my custom bonuses. So yeah, obviously I like this business model because, as I said, I created, a lot of my success by building membership sites. It is a great way to get up and running in affiliate and internet marketing, and also to create a potential salary replacement. So I'm going to give this 4 stars out of 5 on the Elite Tigers Group rating. All that remains then is for me to thank you as ever for watching and listening to this review video. If you've enjoyed it, do please click on the subscribe button underneath. You'll be informed every time I bring a new recording out. And until then, this has been Dawood Islam from the Elite Tigers Group with my review of EZSalaryZ.